Hello friends, and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Well, today in this video we'll see a very important thing that you can do in Excel if you're working with a lot of data in your office or in your workplace. Then this tool will be very useful. Mind you, this is one of the most important tool that may save your life in your office. So friends, I'm talking about VLOOKUP, that is vertical lookup in Excel. So what exactly is this? For example, there's a problem. For example, as you can see on your screen, this is a case of a school. It's a district level exam had happened where almost 200 people had attended that exam, and the marks are out. So you are given a task like in your school in sheet number 6. I'll tell you, these 30 students are from your school, and these 30 students had also appeared for this exam that is included in this 200 people. The principal says that you have to find out the marks of individual students out of this list. So it's like 30 people. So for example, if you don't know VLOOKUP, then the one thing that you can do is just copy this roll number. Look, the roll number is always unique. It won't double up, or it won't be like 2 or 3. So you can go for Control F and put down this roll number and find this. Once you find, you get, yeah, name is Sandhya, your marks are out here. So you can copy this mark and simply go on and paste this over here. But for example, these are like 30 students, you can do 30 times and get the things done within like 10 to 15 minutes. For example, if the district students are like 5,000 or 6,000 in numbers, and if your school people or school number of students who have attended that exam would be like 500 people, it might take almost half a day or a full day for just finding out the mark of students of your school. So it's a very hectic and tedious task. So for that, in Excel, there's something called VLOOKUP. When there's a master list like this, when you know all your data that is required are included in this list, you can very easily do VLOOKUP and find out the marks or this kind of data very easily within seconds, or if not within minutes. So I'll show you how. So for example, as you can see the context here, I have to find the marks, maths, English, social science, Hindi, science, etc. from this master list, sheet 3, this master list. So what I'll do here is I'll just put, as usual, a equal to sign to start a formula, and in VLOOKUP you have to just type VLOOKUP. As you can see here, it has already been highlighted, so I'll just double click here. So it will go on guiding you how to select or put values here. So you can see after bracket the lookup value. The lookup value means the exact value that I am going to look up in the master sheet. So as I said, the roll number is the unique number, so I look up for roll number here. So this roll number I have to look up in the master sheet, that is sheet 3, and then extract data of maths, English, social science, Hindi and science. Let's do for maths first. So B2 means this area, means this cell, then comma. If I put comma, the table array is getting highlighted. So table array is the master table or the master sheet from which you want to extract the data. So this master sheet would be the sheet 3. So in sheet 3, what you have to do, you have to select the whole table from here, mostly from, if possible, from here itself, and just go on dragging and go to the last point here. Fine. So this is the whole table that you need to select to make this formula work out, so that the data gets extracted from this table only. So what you can do here, instead of like, if it becomes very difficult, if it's a very big table, then just click here. Then as I say, do that, Control Shift and End. Once you press Control Shift and End key, I am just searching End. Once you do that, you come to this last portion. Perhaps something was already here, so it is taking some extra cells over here, maybe because of that. So all table is selected right now. So once you select the whole table, again go here, then put comma, and that's the column index number. The column index number is the exact column of data that you want to extract here. So I want to extract the data of maths mark. first. So my column number would be ABC, that is 3. So from the C column, I just want to extract data of maths for Sandhya. So I'll put 3 here. Just remember, by thumb rule, the column index number is the data that you want to extract from the column, which is A, B, C, D in Excel. You can convert that A, B, C into 1, 2, 3. So C is 3 here. So I just put 3. Column index is 3 and comma. As you can see, after that it is asking like approximate match or exact match. I want exact match, so I'll select false. I'll double click here and press enter. Once I do that, you can see in maths Sandhya is like 75. So let me check whether Sandhya has 75 or not. Control F and find the roll number, find next. So Sandhya, let's see what's the mark. Yes, in maths the mark is 75. So you see this maths mark is out for Sandhya right now. Very easily we extracted the mark for Sandhya from the master list, from the master sheet. So you need not go on doing the same thing for all the students here. So the exact hack for Excel is very easy. Just click here and you just come to the right bottommost corner of this cell and double click. Once you do that, everything is done. So as you can see, the results are out. Like Sandhya has 75. When I drag this cell, you can see all the students' marks also got out. And sometimes you can see this N/A symbol coming up. I'll tell you why it is. Because you can see the difference. So when I click here, you can see the formula here. VLOOKUP B2 sheet 3 2. Okay, it's referring to the original this sheet 1, and you can see A1 G188. This is the table I had selected. When I go down, you can see it changes to A2 G189. So the table array is also getting down if I like drag the formula as well. So it's getting in the second row, it is selecting from this. Instead of this, it is selecting this, then this, then this. So these rows are being excluded once I go down and down in the sheet 6. So the main solution for this would be like you can put dollar symbol in Excel. I'll put dollar symbol here, dollar one and dollar a, dollar one. Then again, I want to freeze right bottommost limit of the table as well. So I'll put another dollar here and dollar 181. So once I do this, so same thing will be coming here, but when I like double click here, no n by a symbol will be coming because my table array is fixed, and the second row, third row, or seventh, eighth, all these rows will not exclude the simultaneous or the same rows over here also. All this table will be included while extracting marks for each student. So I hope you understood why I put dollar symbol, because this dollar a and dollar one, dollar g and dollar 188 will remain always constant even if I drag the formula downwards. So this is how you extract marks of VLOOKUP. So let us see for other subjects as well. For other subjects, you can simply just Control C and paste this formula over here. So once you do that, you can see this results will be always there, because when you copy the formula from left to right, the cell reference number or the VLOOKUP number has also changed from B2, this B2, to C. So instead of the roll number, it is looking for the name Sandhya. So there is an error coming. So what you need to do here is to just go changing this C2 into B2 again and press enter here. So once you do that, you can see the same maths mark will be coming. So instead of maths, you need English. So just go and find out what column number English marks are there. So it's not C or it's not 3. Well, the English mark is in D, that is 4. So you just edit the formula here. Instead of 3 here, the column index number, as I had said you earlier, the column number is 4. That is English marks. So just press enter and you can see it is 66. And here the same thing you can do, just drag it, just double click or drag it, and you got the English marks as well. Same thing you can do it here as well. Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V. For all the subjects I had taken it at a time, so I'll just type in B2, again B2. The basic thing in VLOOKUP is that it changes the formula as you go on copying and pasting formula in other cells as well, based on the cell relative to the original cell. So you can see for social science, it is again like E or 5. I'll put in 5 here. So social science is 58. So Hindi, I'll put 6. For science, I'll put 7. So all my marks are out, and at a time I will select this and double click here. Once I do that, marks for all students, all 30 students are out for these 3 subjects. So let us cross check whether this VLOOKUP is correct or not. For example, I want to cross check the VLOOKUP just for this video I'm saying, because computer never makes an error. It's only you or human people or me who can make error. So just to check, let us see this name Mahesha. I'll just copy his roll number. I go and find out here. Control F. Let's see. Mahesha. Okay, fine. This Mahesha has scored like 92, 65, 59, 93, 75. Let's see here. 92, 65, 59, 92, 65, 59, 93 and 75. Let's see here. 93 and 75. So exactly the same mark has been extracted from the master list. As I said you, computer never does any error. So these marks have been calculated within minutes, have been extracted from the master list within minutes. So even if you have, instead of 33,000 also, you can just find the marks for the first person by editing here and there on the formulas and simply double click here. So if you do this, even if it is 3,000 or 3 lakh also, it will take this, it will find the mark from the master list. So how time saving and effort or energy saving is this formula? How life saving can it be for you in your office or in your workplace if you know this VLOOKUP formula? So friends, I hope you understood this concept of VLOOKUP. There's nothing but vertical lookup, and I have shown you by a problem. I have found out a solution by using this VLOOKUP. So many situations you can use this VLOOKUP to suit your needs, to save time and energy. You just think of what you can do. The main thing about VLOOKUP is it's very easy to extract data from a master list for multiple people here. As I say you, the master list is here. For example, the district level examination of the school, and for your needs or your people, you can find out the data from the master list. So friends, this is it in this video. I hope you found this video very useful. If you do so, please like this video. Please share this video on various platforms so that many people know this trick, know this formula of VLOOKUP and use it in their office to save their time, to save their energy and make their work really faster. So friends, that's it. Please do subscribe this channel Infotainment to get more of such little technical videos to make your digital life easier and simpler. So till our next video, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.